Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. 'Tis the season for Christmas parties and spending time with family. And I know that we're all looking for recipes for something that we can take. So today I have six recipes to share with you, and they are for delicious sweet party dips. And these party dips are so yummy, and people will love them, and they'll love you because you brought them. So let me introduce party dips.
You will need an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of butter, a third of a cup of brown sugar, and a third of a cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend your cream cheese and butter together. And then add your brown sugar and your powdered sugar, and then your vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And then just blend until it's all combined. Add your mini chocolate chips and fold them into your dip. So you will need an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 cup of marshmallow cream, a third of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Then you will need 2 packages of a hot cocoa mix, 1 cup of whipped topping, and then some crushed candy canes and mini marshmallows to sprinkle on top. Whip your cream cheese until smooth, and then add your marshmallow cream. And add your Greek yogurt, and then mix it all together. So then add your 2 packages of hot cocoa mix, and give it another good blend. And then add your whipped topping. And then one last good blend. You will need an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream, 2 cups of whipped topping, and 1 cup of a cherry pie filling. So add your marshmallow cream to your cream cheese. And then mix it together. Then add your whipped topping, and give it another good mix until it's all combined. You will need 1.5 cups of eggnog, 1 box of vanilla pudding, an 8-ounce container of whipped topping, and some nutmeg. Add your pudding mix to a large bowl and then add your eggnog. And then stir until it gets thick. And I'm going to give a couple shakes of nutmeg. Then add your container of whipped topping. And then just whisk until it's all combined. You will need an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 2 cups of whipped topping. Whip your cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. And then add your powdered sugar, and I'm adding half of it at a time. Then add your pumpkin puree. And your pumpkin pie spice. And then finally add your whipped topping. And mix it all together until it's nice and combined. You will need an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 can of dulce de leche, 1 cup of marshmallow cream, 1/2 of a cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 of a cup of chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of salt. Add the powdered sugar to the cream cheese and blend it together until it's nice and smooth. And then add the marshmallow cream. And then blend that together. And then add 2 tablespoons of the dulce de leche. Now these are heaping tablespoons, but you can't have enough of this stuff. And then stir it in till it's all combined. Pour the 2 tablespoons of milk into 2 tablespoons of dulce de leche. Heat it in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Stir until it's all combined.
So those were the delicious party dips. And if you give any of them a try, let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.